Lord, why you never answer my prayers? Lord, help me. I keep on praying and praying, but you just don't answer me. Lord, help me. The beat drops in heavy and relentless, a pulsing dark traitor. Synth creates a sense of rising anxiety, a distorted chaos. It's like calling a phone and all I get is a line busy signal. Lord, help me. A deafening tone that tells me nothing's free. No connection here for me. Lord, help me. They say the line is always open, that all you have to do is call. But I'm just a voice in this dark ocean, hitting a brick wall. Lord, help me.
The music intensifies with layers of sound, building a chaotic, urgent feel.
It's like calling a phone and all I get is a line busy signal. Lord, help me. A deafening tone that tells me nothing's free. No connection here for me. Lord, help me.
Massive sound, building a chaotic, urgent feel. The busy signal, the vocals are raw and isolated.
My heart is aching for a whisper. My spirit longs for a sign. But all that's left is this silence and our